I was going to say good afternoon, but it is an afternoon. I don't know how good it is today. The market is very red. Everything seems to be down or turning down at this point, but we're making through it, and it's going to be better tomorrow. It's going to be better tomorrow. Always tomorrow is going to be better. Let's see who we got first in the chat. We got Frank first in the chat, as always. Marky Mark, Paul, what's going on? Keith Kemp, how you doing, man? Frank Paul. Reality Rhino, what's going on? Frank, how you doing? Justin, Frank, Paul, Pika, Bauer, Reality Rhino. We got Zachariah, Pika, Ryan Casey, and Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on them like always. Let's see what the market was doing after the break. And we've got, where's my Weeble? We've got AMC down 8.15% right now, sitting at $16.45. Shiba Inu coin is at $24.58. GameStop down only 1.44%. Okay, not a terrible day for GameStop, sitting at $119.51. Prague is at $1.39 right now, $1.39 and a half, down 9.42% on the day. Very difficult day for AMC stock and Prague today. NASDAQ getting hit very hard, but the NASDAQ bouncing off that support area, okay? We were trending down. We were trying to go below it, and it did bounce back up. It's using this range, this 13.3, as a range of support. So hopefully we can... Hopefully it bounces off that and we don't have to worry about that anymore. Farmy currently sitting at $17, I wish. 17.9 cents per share. Sundial is down 8.42% on the day, sitting at $52.65 right now. Hopefully we get a turnaround in the overall market and all of these beautiful stocks follow, because right now it is nothing but red. Frodo, good afternoon to you, my man. Shredder, what's going on? Turn down for what? That's exactly right, man. What is this market turning down for? Nobody knows. Hello, bro. Ali, good afternoon to you. Hey, guys. My t-shirt Raptor, thank you for the extra stickers and the keychain. Cassie, very nice. Glad you got that t-shirt. Hopefully it's cool. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully you like it. And I don't even know what keychain I sent, so hopefully you like that as well. Glad that it arrived. I was starting to wonder about that, man. I was taking a minute. I think I sent 3 or 4 shirts out. Yeah, I sent 3 or 4 shirts out between like Thursday and Saturday. It's very white here. Very white. Does that mean, so we got a lot of, we had a lot of snow. It's been raining all day, and it's coming down now. But other than that, yes, it was pretty white here for quite some time. Oh, man. You know what I want to see? I want to go out and I want to put Bitcoin on that chart here. I want to see what that looks like and how close we are to these levels of support before the Shiba Inu coin asks me anything tonight. What do we got? All right, we're not doing too bad. We're not doing too bad. Bitcoin's actually bouncing off these levels here. Hopefully we don't even test 30. I was wondering where that was. Oh my, look at this, man. This is dead on. We had a nice run up here, and it came all the way back, down exactly where it was before. Bitcoin just retracing, falling down to where it was before. Hopefully that's enough nonsense for the crypto market. Things start to turn around. I was wondering about that this afternoon. Let's see. Think AMC will rip this week? Richard, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think it's going to be tough to see AMC stock rip this week. A lot of people are expecting it to rip either this week or when is March 3rd? A lot of people are expecting it to happen no later than next week, okay? And with that being said, I just ask why. Why? Why would it rip this week? Why would it rip next week? In my opinion, there are so many scared investors out there right now that their money is not in the stock market. They've already taken it out. Prices are already beat to death. And until we get some good, clarifying information on what's going on and what the future holds, I think that investors are going to continue being scared and out of the stock market. So, do I think it's going to rip this week? No, I don't see the catalyst that would make it rip this week. Do I think it's necessarily going to rip as soon as inflation data is released? Not necessarily, but I think we got a better chance. So, if we can get over some of the the political aspects of things that are going on across the globe right now. Canada, Russia, Ukraine, like everything that's going on there. And if we can, I guess, wrangle in inflation and interest rates and get some clarity there, yes, I think that the stock market, I think AMC, and I think crypto is going to rebound very nicely. Hey, Clay, love the vibes, bro. You deserve 1 million subs. Uncle Sam, Shiba Army, appreciate that, man. We'll get there one day. Don't worry. Appreciate that, though. All the positive feedback, guys. Thank you very much. How's it going, Clay and everyone? John Maxwell, man, it is going great today. I know the market is down. I know it's looking tough, but it is still going great. Nice, I'm still holding like Mad Dog, 577 shares. Richard, let's get it, man. Yo, Clay Bro, Jarrett, how you doing? Clay Bro, when we build the Bro Park, we will have a new road made. For what road? When giving directions, drive 7 miles on County Road 15, then turn down for... Yes, turn down for what? I like it. Frank, that actually sounds like something I'm interested in. Let's do it, man. Yeah, I hear you meant diamond hands for when it does, though. Heck yeah, Richard, let's get it. Dude, diamond hands. And, you know, some people make fun of that. They're like, oh, a bunch of idiots saying diamond hands, investing in memes and taking advice from memes. Like, I get it. I get it. It sounds dumb, right? But it's not dumb, okay? It's not dumb. The style of communication might be looked down upon, but it doesn't take away from why we are making the decisions that we are making. So, yeah, dude, diamond hands for sure. Diamond hands for sure. Diamond hands means you are restricting the supply and you are willing to hold it even as the price is rising. You're the best, buddy. Richard, you're the best, man. Started buying into Sundial. Very nice. Hopefully you got in before it started running up into the 60s and back down to the 50s now. And you're in the green on Sundial. How are you, brother? Jarrett, I'm doing good, actually, man. I'm doing good. Had some chips and salsa during the break. I was trying to think. I didn't eat anything else during the break. I had some chips and salsa, and now I'm here. Doing good. How are you, Jarrett? I hope you're doing well. I knew we'd be friends, Rhino, but you don't need to treat me differently now that you know I'm a chick. Nice, man. You guys are friends. I knew it was going to happen. Like and subscribe, everyone. John Maxwell, thank you very much. Guys, don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Join the channel. Become a bro. We're here every single day. Pika, I'm going to treat you worse now that I see you're a woman to keep you humble. There you go. Devil's advocate, making sure everybody stays on their toes. I like it. What's the crake, mate? Hope you have a... Connor! This might be some sort of English that I do not understand. What's the crake, mate? Hope you have a great Shiba day. I need an actual, like, American English explanation here because I think that I'm missing something on crake. What's the crake, mate? I don't know. I don't even know what that means. Somebody help me out. Irish. Somebody's got to help me, though. Somebody's got to help me with this. It's Irish slang. Connor! Somebody's got to help me. Okay, gang, dipping out. Have a great day. Richard, have a great day, man. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with us. Devil's Advocate, that's all I can hope for. Peak up hour. Very good. Bro, called last week. Yeah, I did. I called it last week, man. I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. Means, what's up, mate? Oh, what's up? What's the crate, mate? I like it. What's the crate, mate? Irish, okay, like, they're after me, Lucky Charms. What's the crake, mate? Is that how you say it? What's the crake, mate? I think that's the best I can do. Did I sound Irish to you? God, I hope not. Devil's Advocate, that's my job. There it is, man. Reality Rhino found his job. He's gonna keep Pika Power on her toes. I like it. We got the little dance going back and forth there. Did they just become best friends? Yup, they sure did. Man, AMC still going down into the close right now. Let's put a line on the chart just to stop this bad boy from moving any lower. All right, this is going to be the line on the chart right now. We are not going below this right there. Orange line in the sand. That's all you got, AMC. You absolutely must turn now. Close above 17, please. Shiba Inu coin, same deal. Stop this nonsense. GameStop sitting down here at 118.78, down 2.26 points or percent, closing lower on the day. And Prog losing 9.42%, 139.5 cents per share on that one. NASDAQ dropping pretty hard, 1330 or 13,370 right now, bouncing back slightly on the minute. Hopefully it gets a nice strong close here. But we got Farmy at 1781, dipping even lower. Sundial sitting at 52.51 right now, down 8.68 on the day. My gosh, look at this minute right here. Wow. It's a pretty deep minute, man. 1% decline just on that minute candle. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like what they're doing. I do like the fact that AMC is really following that line I just put out there. I need to do that more often. Keith, thank you for the members chat, man. Love being here daily. You're awesome. Keith, man. For facts, you're awesome. And I'm glad you're here daily, dude. Thank you very much for the 3-month member chat. Appreciate that, man. And I am glad that you're in here. Just, do you sound like Walmart brand cereal spokesperson for Lucky Charms? Oh, it's better than the Aldi's version, so we're doing good. Whenever I think Irish, I think a beautiful red-headed goddess in a green dress. Well, now you just... Cassie, you swayed me, okay? You swayed me. Now that's what I'm going to think of when I think Irish, because that's better than the Lucky Charms, dude. Say it like crack. Oh, say it like crack. How do I say it? How do I say it, though? What's the slang? What's the crack, mate? Okay, yeah, what's the crack, mate? What? They're after me, Lucky Charm. What's the crack, mate? What's the crack, mate? I don't know how to do it. What's the crack, mate? I got you with an English accent, American accent. What's the crack, mate? What's the crack? Thank you very much, Jarrett. I don't know if you're from Ireland too, but thank you for letting me know how to do it. Irish was the guy in the movie Hall Pass. When he says the joke about Dublin. Is that what you're talking about? God, I haven't seen that movie in a long time, but that movie made me crack up. Oh, my God. Yep, are we going to do karate in the garage? Yep. Oh, my God. Perfect. Peak hour. I love it. Hey, Clay, so are we selling now or what? Next trucker, man. Yeah, if you want. If you've got a raffle that you want to do, man, let people know about it. I'm completely cool with that. Let them know in here. Congratulations on 3 months, Keith. Yeah, thank you very much, Keith. Shout out to you from a subscriber in the Philippines. Surfer Freak, thank you for being in here. And are you a surfer? Surfer Freak is your name. The question is, are you a surfer freak? Connor, love you, channel, bro. That's it. I like it, Connor. Thank you very much. Devil's Advocate, how'd you know that is my career? I did not see what he said. Darn it, we need this market to take off so it warms up. I'm over these negative temperature days. John, I'm telling you, man, I'm over the negative temperature days. Well, it's kind of warm here now. 60 but raining, 50 maybe, 54 right now. 54, raining a little bit. And, sorry, I wouldn't say it's terribly cold, but, dude, wet, gray, market's down. We need some up. We need dude, think about it. We're going to have a lot of good catalysts here coming. We're going to have the stock market turning around. It's going to be spring. Spring will have sprung. The flowers are going to be blooming. Baby animals are going to be in everybody's backyards just hopping around, loving life. It's going to be very good. I like it, man. I like it. How dare you, audience baller of a company, bro. Keep the stuff in boxes to save time. Use quarters to unlock carts so people return them to cashiers to sit. They also got good fruit. Yeah. I'm not going to lie, dude. Shop at Aldi. But, I don't even know, man. Does Aldi's have, like, Aldi brand versus Walmart brand? I don't even know. You said it was the Walmart brand Lucky Charm, dude. Which is worse than the Target brand Lucky Charm, dude, right? Because you said that Dave Bautista was the Target branded rock. So, man, I got the lowest of the low rip. I'm like the John Cena of the rock. I'm the John Cena of Irish accents. Or no, of Irish accents of cereal box characters. No, when he passes out in the hot tub and wakes up. Dang, now I forget that part. It's been so long since I saw that, man. It's been so long, but now I forget that part. Negative 35 wind chills. Dude, where does Frank live? The Arctic? I swear he doesn't live in the United States. Everyone drop a like. Listen to Uncle Sam. And Connor. Connor says like and subscribe. These guys know what they're talking about. Devil's Advocate was clearly the king of the chat all of last week. The guy's a comedian. I like it. Tanya, good afternoon to you with the pirate flag. Shoot, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think they have their own brand. I think they just grab up all the knockoffs and sell them together at one place. Dude, if they taste good, I say go for it. If they taste good, I say go for it. And they do taste good because I go for it. Are we back? I am the Lucky Charm. Nice, Connor. Nice. Shout out, Clan Bro family. You're the best. Isa Woo, man. What's going on? Where you been? I mean, I didn't see you earlier. Kelly, yo, Clay, I went from over 1,000 shares to 100 now. Man, come on, if AMC would squeeze and it was obvious, wouldn't highly intelligent investors be investing? When next green day for AMC? Oh, okay, I thought there was two since it was purple. Yeah, Kelly, so actually highly intelligent investors are buying AMC or investing in AMC. Not to say that I own AMC, but there are several pensions and several institutions that have been loading up on AMC. So I guess it depends on what you define intelligence as or how you define intelligence. But if you're going to be following institutional investors, which you would hope that they are intelligent investors making their decisions based on facts and logic instead of, fun and short squeezes. But dang, I don't know what is going on with this camera. But there are several institutions that are loading up. BlackRock and Vanguard being amongst the two largest. And you have some of the largest pensions in California loading up on AMC and GameStop. They believe the current prices are very small. I recently did a video on it. But if you look at it, we've got over 37% institutional ownership right now. And the best I could come up with, they're buying it for a couple of reasons. One, they see the growth potential in AMC. Because I agree with them. Okay, I don't believe the current prices are justified by the balance sheet. But they can be buying based on future growth, which AMC is excelling. AMC is setting themselves up for even greater market share and more success in the future. Also, they could be investing based on momentum. Now, we know that AMC is beginning to look extremely cheap because it has been coming down from price points around $70 per share over the last 6 months. And these institutions, they have much longer term time frames and fields of vision than everybody wanting it to squeeze in 1 week. They're willing to hold, and they're willing to hold for a long time. So there are intelligent investors that are buying AMC right now. It just seems to be the opposite since it's going down. Gets down on one knee in front of Pika to accept the crown. Gets down on both to give thanks. God, this dude, man. When Pika become a late? I don't know, man. John in northern Minnesota here. Dang it. Dude's really, 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 really cold. Negative temperatures is terrible. Kelly, this is an honest question. Wouldn't highly intelligent investors be buying? Did you just indirectly call everyone in here stupid like we aren't smart people? But no, never. Don't sell out for AMC. I will not sell out for AMC. Could make your own NFT collection. We would buy them. I don't even know what to make, dude. I don't even know what to make. You had me fooled. Outdoors smile. Me or somebody else? 24. I'm no longer the youngest. Pika Power 24. Where's Leah? Leah disappeared. Wasn't Leah 19? I want to see you take your platform to the next level, bro. That's the way to do it. Uncle Sam, let's get it, man. Hey, listen, we could absolutely take this platform to the next level. If you think NFTs are going to do it, I say, let's get started. It was 52 in Thunderstorm when I woke up this morning. Now it's 25. Gosh. It was raining this morning pretty hard. It wasn't thunderstorming, but it's 54 degrees out right now. Outdoor smart. I am also. Everybody's in here is a woman now. Clipper bobblehead merch will fly off the shelves. Oh, Clipper bobblehead merch would fly off the shelves. Dude, you think I got a big head or something? You think I might have a big head. I don't know. I speak with day traders and investors. I know I've always defended AMC, but they make me think it'll never recover. Yeah. Kelly, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Here's the thing, and look, I could rip on day traders all day long if I wanted to. I spend a lot of time, scrolling through crap on TikTok, and I do see them. But here's the thing that you need to keep in mind. And I believe this is, as unbiased as I can be towards day traders. Because if you're going to be extremely disciplined, if you're going to be extremely disciplined and you're going to stick to your plan, you can make money day trading. But I will say this. Day traders have a very short, outlook. It is very short, man. They only see what it is doing right now, and they only invest based on breaking news or on technicals. And, dude, they could tell you it's a lot harder than you think, and all of that. I get it, but, they can't even string together 0.5% gains every day throughout a year. It's very, very, very difficult. But being as unbiased as possible, day traders tend to have a very short outlook on on investments. And AMC is no different for them. They see what it's doing. They see that it's been dropping. It's been dropping heavily since June, and that's an eternity for a day trader. A drop from June to February is an absolute eternity. And what would ever turn that around? What would ever turn that momentum around? You're looking at all of the fundamentals, or not fundamentals, but you're looking at all of the technicals dropping, indicating that momentum is going to continue down and so on. So don't necessarily get caught up in somebody telling you it's only ever going to go up, but also don't get caught up in a day trader telling you that it's only ever going to go down. Always keep in mind that what they're going to be telling you has a short time frame or a short outlook. I'm going to take a wild guess and say they will push AMC down as much as possible before earnings because we are probably going to have a good push. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, we actually could, okay? Now, I still don't think that we're in the fundamental price range for AMC, but I do believe you're right. The prices we're trading at now are much closer, and therefore I do believe that a positive earnings report could have a much larger impact on AMC and the stock price. So that is a possibility. I still think, man, I still don't think that they have the power. Sorry, I got something going on my eye. I still don't think that they have the power just to push it down and bring it up at will and all of that. But I think until the market receives a catalyst or some good news, until all the talk surrounding Russia and Canada and interest rates and inflation, until all of that stuff kind of calms down a little bit, it's going to be difficult. Question. Last time earnings came out, I bought, then after it dropped, and that's when I started selling. I think was that a question? I don't know if that was actually a question. It looks like Agent Smith from the Matrix. Is that, dude, that's the bad guy, though, isn't it? Nobody likes the bad guy. Come on. Cassie got that Benjamin Button-weather. Dang, man. I don't know what Benjamin Button-weather is, but it sounds bad. Sounds bad. Shib prediction for the end of the second quarter. Jacob. End of the second quarter. Look, dude. I think that Shiba could be sitting in a very nice position end of second quarter. Honestly, I think it could be retesting highs. If, like I say, there's I'm putting a very strong, I guess, emphasis on inflation, interest rates, Russia, Canada, and everything that's going on in the world right now. It is not conducive to assets going up in value. If that stuff calms down, then I absolutely think that Shiba could be in a very good position. Let's see. Hello, everyone. Hope I didn't miss anything. You did not miss anything, Danelle. Glad to have you in here. Wow, you're adorable. Heck yeah. The like button is located just below Clay's live screen, to the left. Just saying. JS Justice, thank you very much. And if you guys don't know how to get to it, if you're on your phone, click the X on the live chat, and then go over and click the thumbs up button, and then you click live chat again and bring your chat back up. So there you go. If you want to click the like button, it's very easy to do. Let's go, 1,000 eyes. Let's get it. Rhino, it's 2022, man. No one cares about it anymore. It's all about being fun and enjoyable I hope you guys think I'm fun. I hope you guys think I'm fun. If you don't, honestly, it doesn't bother me, but, you know, I still hope you do. Forget Canada. I'm in the process. Move all Australia. I don't even know if that's any better, man, but all good. I heard it's beautiful. Perth, Australia. I don't know if it's beautiful or not, man. I've never been to Australia. I've been to Canada, but never been to Australia. 5'10", 175, shoe size 10. William. Are we just giving out our stats now, or what are we doing, man? You know what isn't testing highs? Sundial. Boom! Roasted. God, Sundial, man. Sundial can't even get anything high out there. That's like their entire business model. Oh, my gosh. Dude, Sundial needs help. I'm telling you. Somebody help Sundial, please. Trap, don't worry. My love... What? My pocket is still yours to hold. I don't even know what that means, man. I don't even know what that means. Can't have it too. I don't even know what's going on right now. I had to change my photo. Peeps kept thinking I was a dude. Mostly Rhino. Yeah, Peak Power and Rhino, our best friends for sure. Jason, yes, I am streaming the Ask Me Anything tonight. Not exactly sure what time. So, look, I might start it at 8. Because last time, they literally messed around for an hour last time before they got things going. I might start it at 8. I might start it at 7:45. Okay? They're supposed to begin talking at 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's when they're going to open the space, and if everything works out good, they should be talking right then. So just keep a lookout for it. You may or may not get a notification. If I do a video and post a video at 8, you're going to get a notification for that. But if I started at 7:45, you may not get a notification. So if you guys do want to hang out in the stream tonight, just take a look at it, or take a look out for it, and see when we start. But it should be around 7:45 to 8 p.m. Eastern time, I would say. Big Bar, yeah, I called him a rhino, but at the end of the chat, defending it the other day. Nice, yeah, I think you're boring, and I'm here for all the good vibes the market has been giving us lately. Grow up, dog, you fun. I haven't been in the market info for since day 2. Nice. But we have market info, man. We do have market info. I feel like we have market info as well. I don't know. I feel like we have fun, but it's very difficult to want to focus directly on all of the losses as things are going down. And I feel like we've been having a lot of fun over the last 3 months because everything has been just bloody red every single day. But we have market info. In my opinion, BBIG will pop before AMC. Gains will go to AMC and then boom, Melamamas. That is possible. Okay, that is possible. I don't own any BBIG. I know people in here do own BBIG, so hopefully if it does and you go in, I like it. Let's see what we got. It's one of the most affordable places to live. Dang, dude, $1,000 a month for a beautiful place to live. Low life insurance. Nice, man. Perth sounds like a good place then. 1,000 a fortnight, whatever that means. Speaking of some big bro advice for you. If you need to change your profile picture, appearance, make friends, the friends you're making on your What are you talking about, Devil's Advocate? I posted a picture yesterday and I made friends with you. So come on now. Profile pictures work. Saw that Danelle, I don't even know what he's talking about. Russia is messing up the crypto market worse than the messed up the Moscow theater. Oh my god. Adrian Perez, thank you very much for the Zoom chat. Hello, all, or hi all, and my boy Clay. Tell me something good. We running yet, Adria? Unfortunately, we are not running yet, okay? But if you want to know something good, the weather here is clearing up. I mean, it's 54 degrees now. I believe Chip Bro should be coming out of hiding here pretty soon. No more snow covering Chip Bro's holes in the backyard. So hopefully he'll be popping his little head up here pretty soon, coming to get some seeds, stocking up for springtime now, and re-entering the house here pretty quickly. So that is good news. As for the market, no. We were down 8.10% today, up slightly after hours. GameStop also down today. Shiba Inu coin just kind of trading sideways, around a 2% gain on the day. Prog closing into $1.39 flat after hours. The Nasdaq ended 1.23% lower today, and right at that level of support. So this is where we're at. If we don't bounce tomorrow, it could get pretty dangerous here. We got to keep an eye on this bounce. If we don't bounce tomorrow, it could get pretty dangerous. We got to keep our eye out. And then we had Farmy at 1,800, down 1.1% after hours. Loves to get ripped there. Sundial ended up closing the day at 52.36, bouncing a little bit after hours. So we got a lot of interesting stocks going on out there. Hopefully tomorrow is better news across the board. So bros have to stick together. Facts on that, Danelle. Facts on that. We will always stick together. Hot dog flavored water is awesome. J-Bones, ugh. I don't know about you guys, man. Have you ever heard of a Doge burger? I have not. Good evening, Clay and everybody. Sarah Deste Croy. Or Sarah. Did I say Sarah? Sarah Deste Croy. Good evening to you. My goodness, it's getting pretty late over there, Sarah. Isn't it? What is it, 9 p.m.? 9:14 over there? It's a little late. First of all, I hold back because of who you are inside, bro. Not because I like the jeans. The jeans, pun intended. Nice, man. You should like the jeans, though. The jeans are pretty good. Jared, for $250, I'm splitting a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, ground floor, pool, sauna, dishwasher, hot tub. $250, you getting all that? Is that what you're saying here? My gosh. I'm like 27. Spider Claw, I'm like 32, man. Heck yeah. Oh, no. This idiot saying he's like number 27. I thought he was saying he's like 27. Oh, no. We only get, is that what he's saying? Or is this dude, I don't know now. I don't know, because I'm seeing 51 likes. I don't know if this guy's like number 27 or if he's like 27 years old. Either way, I'm like 32, man. I'm like 32. Palantir was a wild ride today. Justin, I did not see what Palantir was doing. It'll be okay after all. Yes, it will. Remember, this are my own vehicle, so no Lambos just yet. First, we had 2005 Mazda RX-8. Second giveaway, 2016 Ninja 600. Nice. What do you guys think? One giveaway per month while burning Shiba. Next trucker. That does sound pretty sweet, man. If you can get a ton of people to join that raffle, that could be a very cool idea there. Like, no joke. It'd be a little weird to find somebody that's going to have to come pick it up or, you know, finding people on location to come get it from you. But it could be very cool. Yo, Clay, if you ever feel bad about your YouTube notifications going out late, I just got a PlayStation notification for a game that came out in December. So, you're doing better than Sony. Nice, man. I do wonder about that sometimes. And I really... Dude, I was sitting on the couch at, like... I don't even know when it was. 9 p.m.? YouTube recommended my video that I had posted like the day before to me, like the next night at 9 p.m. What? Like, YouTube, what are you doing? If they didn't recommend that to other people, I have no idea what their problem is. But they literally recommended my own video to me. I'm clearly logged into the account that posted the video. It was very strange. Like, totally. I'm like 26 years old. Like, totally nice, man. Like, no, Spider Claude, man. I knew that's what you were saying. I knew that's what you were saying after I said I'm like 32, man. Dang it. I knew I messed up on that one. Am I the only one selling all my crypto and stocks to buy gas? And Lewis, you might be at this point, man. But I'm not too far from selling my crypto if Bitcoin falls below 30. So I'll leave that out there, dude. I'll leave that out there. I won't be too far behind, but I have not made that choice yet. Sony sucks. Microsoft is best. Well, let's see. I would prefer PlayStation over Xbox, but the last console I had was PS3, so that'll tell you guys that. But right now, you know, I'm using Windows, so I do have Microsoft in my life. That is true. What suburb you live in is very important in Australia. You get what you pay for. Crazy crime rate in bad areas. Yeah, Jared, I feel like that's going to be the same everywhere, though, man. I really do. Hey, Clay, can you trust me? Trust me, bro. Facts, I can trust you. You got bro in your name. Who couldn't trust you? Everybody in here can trust you. You got bro in your name, dude. Yes, the SEC and Department of Justice don't scare the short sellers too much. Mariachi. No, dude, it's pretty hard to scare billionaires. I've noticed that. You know, it's very difficult to scare billionaires. I don't know if it's because they are so diversified that they literally could just disappear at the drop of a hat and be completely fine, or if they just feel like they've got so much power that they don't have to worry about things. So, yeah, you're right. I just don't know the reasoning. Put your AMC for more Shiba. Let's get it. I'm not a purist. I have a PS5, Xbox. What is this? X, and built my own PC. They all have their own gems and things they do better. Nice. The PS3. My brother, I believe, has an Xbox One. He actually might have a PS4 too. I'm pretty sure he's got a PS4. He's got an Xbox, I think, but might be three. I don't know what he's got. He's got an older Xbox. He's got a PS4, and I got a PC, but I don't play any games on it. Darn it, man, I'm so lame. Crypto blows, right? Yes, and the stock market as well, J-Bones. No joke on that, man. All day, lads and lassies. This guy's going Xbox. Let's get it. Crypto blows right now. Facts. I agree. Shiba burn idea. A raffle giveaway for X million to say 5, 10 people. Perhaps 500,000 Shib per entry. Burn the rest. Yeah, Kalani. That could easily be done. Kind of like a 50-50 raffle or something, man. I think that could be a good idea. It's just, who's going to implement it? You know, where do we do it? And then do people get upset? How do you keep track of all of the money flowing in? Is it all on the blockchain so everybody can verify it? Like, what's the best way to do that? Wow, that sounded messed up, bro. I don't even know what we said there. So my crypto, looking at boats as I live in Chicago. While everything else sinks, I'll stay afloat. There, your nice guest name. Let's see. Somebody said something about a Switch. All I have is a Nintendo Switch and a knockoff Nintendo with 320 built-in vintage games. There you go, Cassie. Nothing wrong with that. I like the vintage games better than the new ones. Cassie, did you see the Switch is getting the old school Wii Sports game in April, I believe? I'm hyped. I did not see anything about that. Hi, everyone. Been busy. Wanted to say, Pancakes! What are you doing, Pancakes? How you been? I see, man, Pancakes goes to the movie. Pancakes has seen every movie that's out there. She's always at the movies. If you guys don't follow Pancakes on Instagram, she posts, like, she's in the movies all day long, every day. I remember she used to go out to lunch every day. Now she just goes to the movies every day. Okay, so Nintendo's all you need. Facts. So, yeah, Nintendo 64. That's where it's at. I want to play Nintendo 64 games with all of you guys. I'm a side with Pigo on this one, man. At worst, you're promoting incest with a pure con. I don't even know what's going on here, man. I think Putin should be forced to buy and burn a trillion Shiba per month. Oh God, Lewis, like square mile or what's the deal? Like mile inward that he moves the border, or what's the deal? Because hey, man, that might work out. He might burn a ton. Might burn a ton of Shiba. I've been crazy busy. Pancakes, I believe it. Yes, been going to the movies 2 to 3 times a week. Very nice, Pancakes. Not close enough, man. 2 to 3 times a week is almost every day. Seems like every day. I probably open Instagram 2 to 3 times a week. GameCube to the moon. Trust me, bro. Let's get it. I never was a big GameCube guy, but I really liked Nintendo 64. Nintendo 64, we played some Dreamcast. And then PlayStation 3. Put all of your AMC and buy Shiba. Dude, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it even if I really, really, really wanted to, man. I got a commitment to AMC, and I'm going to be holding AMC until we see AMC either squeeze or the shorts cover. So, one or the other on that one. But I do own AMC and Shiba Inu coins, so I'm cool with both. I don't need to own 100% of AMC in my portfolio, 100% of Shib in my portfolio. I have a crazy dream about grabbing onto driftwood and floating down to St. Louis to meet my cousin and then walk across Missouri to Kansas City because it is the apocalypse. Sometimes you guys might wonder why it seems so difficult for me to read. I mean, that's like a basic skill, and it's because you guys write comments like that nobody expects. She had a crazy dream about grabbing on a driftwood and floating down to St. Louis to meet her cousin and then walk across Missouri to Kansas City because that's the apocalypse. Sometimes when you read stuff that's completely unexpected, it's weird. I went to the Freedom Convoy of Toronto and they brought a flag with Clay's face on it. Everyone was honking and cheering and waved the flag all day. Kelly, I highly doubt you did that. If you did that, with all the attention that's been getting lately, we'd probably have like 300,000 subscribers in here. But that would be funny. Bro, okay, so I want you to act like this legitimately happens. Putin himself tweets that he will burn 1 billion Shiba for every 100 yards he invades. How does the world respond, Clay? How does the world respond, or how does the internet respond? I have to do the math here. 100 yards. Would it be... Listen, man, I feel like... And this is not... Because, listen, I understand these political topics are touchy and everybody's got their own opinion on it. And maybe this is, like, the wrong answer. But I feel like there would be a way to negotiate that. Okay? I really do feel like there would be a way to negotiate that. I don't know if it necessarily has to be, like, from the border. But I feel like there's gotta be some useless land in that area where we could get a... like 500 trillion Shiba Inu coins burnt by giving up a couple miles of maybe mountains or just a field or something like that. I feel like we can negotiate it. I could be wrong, though. But how the world responds, dude, there's going to be people that tell you you're a fool if you disagree and don't let him. There's going to be people that tell you you are evil if you let him. And there's going to be people who get mad at the people for owning Shiba and wanting to see the price go up and willing to negotiate to let the price go up. There's going to be people who think that people who don't let you negotiate should all be killed and sent to jail. That's how the world would react to that situation. That's exactly how the world would react. So I don't think you could honestly do any good these days because there will always be somebody who wants to tear it down. Diversifying is absolute. Make sure you do it then. Clay, do you think if Bitcoin goes below 30,000, it would be a bad idea to still hold all my crypto? No, John, listen. I don't think it would be a bad idea to hold. I will honestly, I think I'm going to hold my Zcash, man, since I've had it for like 5 years. But I do believe that the overall crypto market, if Bitcoin falls below that level, because the support levels are so much further down. Now listen, if it breaks 30 and the next day we get some great news, no more Russia tensions, nothing going on in Canada, inflation is under control, back down to 2%, there's no interest rate increases, like all of a sudden the clouds part and the world is a beautiful place again. Clearly, nothing's going to happen just because Bitcoin crosses that line. But I have to stress, man, everything follows Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin has the bottom fall out of it, I still think that everything is going to follow. I truly do. And in that instance, if that happens, the projects that are dedicated will survive, and the ones that are not will fizzle out. So I don't think it's a bad idea to hold your crypto, but I don't necessarily think it's a good idea either. I think you have to make the decision that's best for you, not to just hold just to hold, which is probably what I'm doing with Zcash. I don't even plan on selling that anyway. But you got to make the decision that's best for you. I truly don't know if I will hold any crypto other than that if Bitcoin does break that. I myself could get caught into war, and I am the one who asked you the question, so just dive in, bro. I won't be offended. No. I know you wouldn't be offended. There's a lot of people in here, and look, guys, I know that, we have different opinions. There's people in here who don't agree with you on things. I don't agree with you on things, and I know you don't agree with me on things. But that's what it's all about, man. Still being able to have conversations and stuff, and so I know you wouldn't get offended if I said something or whatever, but I truly believe that people wouldn't. It doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter if you try to come up with the best answer for something these days. People have such strong opinions, man. It's not like, wow, that guy's an idiot. I'll just let him go, do his own thing. It's like, I think that guy's an idiot. Kill him. Or I think that guy's an idiot. Lock him up. Or I think it's very, very intense. So I think I don't know. I think it'd be crazy. 50-50 giveaway. 50% of the total giveaway proceeds burn. 50% cover the next giveaway and shipping. It would be very expensive for someone who to win in California to ship it around $1,500. Oh my God. Next, trucker. Yeah, shipping. I think you're talking about shipping the car or motorcycle, right? Shipping is very, very expensive, especially if you're shipping it across country. I'll tell you what I'd do if it happened. 2 words, bro. All in. Let's go. All in. He's going all in, man. He's going all in. Well, shoot, dude. I don't know if that would happen or not. That would be pretty funny to see Satoshi out there tweeting, hey, Putin, tagging Putin on Twitter. Do you think that you could burn a billion Shiba Inu coin for every couple hundred yards that you take over? Or what's the deal on that? Send me Shiba to burn. I'm more energy provision and saving energy. You can trust me. Trust me, bro. You can actually trust me too. Please don't send me any Shiba Inu coin to burn. I truly don't think that, and I know there's people that are going to disagree with this, right? I honestly believe that Stephen Cooper guy that does Bigger Entertainment, and some of you guys might too, I truly don't think that me sending my money away to burn is the best way, or you sending your money away to burn is the best way to do it. I think that you could get some like quicker snap reactions and some quicker burns, but I don't think it's like the sustainable, scalable way that we're looking for. I forgot, but what triggered the run up to 72? Trust me, bro. Listen, it was a multitude of things. There were probably some shorts that did cover during that time. There was at least a net 17 million short shares that covered during that time. Now, they could have covered all of them and took all those short shares back out. You have to remember that. So we just know that the net shares covered were about 17 million. But a lot of that, dude, was FOMO, investors buying in and not wanting to miss out. So we broke $14 per share on AMC. And I'll pull this up in a little bit of a bigger graph so you can see it here. We broke $14.50. This was the line that we could not cross, man. $14.50 right here. Very difficult to cross. Wanda sold their shares. We came back here and we did it again. $14.50. We could not cross it. Okay, Wanda sold, I forget how many millions of dollars worth of shares again here. We backtracked for 3 or 4 days. And then we retested and we broke it. And I believe we broke this. And I was live after hours this day. And it was running up to 17 plus. There was over 1,000 people in the live stream. And it was insane. Next day, man, we started running. And I believe, what day was it? So this was the Friday right here, the 28th. And once we were in this area right here with no resistance in the way, it was all FOMO people jumping in. It was all traders realizing there's no resistance and we're hitting all-time highs. And this is going to do what we actually thought it was going to do. And then we got all the way up here, man. And then so many people thought it was so funny to sell around $69. 69 is funny, isn't it? Yeah, 69 is so funny. And they sold at $69, and it really limited the potential that we got to because there was such a heavy line there. But if I have Sundial up, and you can see Sundial too, man. I don't know if I've got it up big. But Sundial, this day here, I'm pretty sure it was after hours on this day. And might have been pre-market on this day, but I'm pretty sure it was after hours on this day. Sundial is sitting at $4.20 a share. So funny for Sundial to go to $4.20. I'm going to hold my Sundial to $4.20. Ha ha ha. And people start selling. And then after that, man, it drastically dropped back down. And then Sundial diluted the shares and sold a bunch of stock to raise money. So it did change after that. But people, man, they really think these numbers are funny. And they just got to sell at 69 and 420 and limit themselves. Let's see. Boom! I didn't see what Danelle said, but yes, get Shiba on the M Coin futures. Get Shiba on the M Coin futures. Gianluca, what do you mean get it on the M Coin futures? Is that an exchange for you or what? So do you think the 50-50 terms just mentioned the Shiba army will dig? Dude, I think that people would be interested in doing some sort of a giveaway or raffle and so on, and I think 50-50 would be one of them. You just have to be very careful on how you word things as opposed to raffles, as opposed to giveaways and things like that. If you're going to be doing that in any sort of scale, you're going to have people looking at you, and then you're going to need to get permission and things like that, and it's going to be dangerous. But I do think people all day are interested in participating in giveaways and things like that. Sorry, I'm late, gang. Smash the like button on the way in. Shitsu Inu, very nice. Gorilla Invictus, click. Did Crim Jamer really ask all AMC bashing tweets? Anyone else hear that? Or is I don't know. I don't know if he did. I personally did not go through and look at their tweets, man. I know people are saying the same thing about Motley Fool and Gasparino and things like that. I did not personally go through. I don't have any of their tweets, like, screenshot or anything like that, man. I don't care about those guys. So, I don't know if they did or not. Somebody else in here might know, though. Just blew my mind, bro. Mr. Gear Zubliff. With what? How did I blow your mind? It was Adam Aaron who diluted. Yeah, Adam Aaron. Listen, Adam Aaron did dilute the crap out of AMC stock. And AMC Entertainment is in a better position because of it. Okay? I agree with that. And I do agree that going from, I don't even know what we had, 100 million shares or something to 500 million shares made a drastic difference. Okay? It truly did. But I don't know. I think it was too much because I don't think that they need to just be sitting on $1.6 billion in cash. Like, what does AMC need with $1.6 billion in cash? Oh, hello, Kelly Scott. Sardis Cruz says hello. I'm late to the chat this afternoon chat watching Vikings. Nah, man, I didn't miss too much of the Shiba talk. Chris, you missed all AMC talk, man. We've been talking about AMC all afternoon. You missed the entire thing. It's kind of bad, but, you can catch up. You can watch the live stream back. Chris, we didn't talk about AMC the entire time. We did talk about AMC, though. I remember women in the draft being a topic when I was active duty still, but I do actually believe they haven't been added. Honestly, could be wrong, though. I think it's coming, but not yet. I have no idea. I have no idea what that looks like. Do I have to worry about that? Do I have to? Dude, Yeah, we're here. We're here in Ukraine, and we are concerned about AMC and Shiba Inu coin. I don't know. Oh my God, what do we get? I don't know. It's gonna be okay though. The market is red, but we are still here, guys. The squeeze is tomorrow. It's gonna be all right if we hold the line. I mean, yeah, dude, it could be. I hope I don't have to worry about nothing like that, but I don't know. That's why we got brave men and women like Devil's Advocate out there. Thank you for your service. Seriously, thank you. Cool on it. Glad you made it. We can be in the chat while they're fighting for us. We'll send Devil's Advocate a care package. Yes, we will, man. We'll bring him on stream. My midget never going to be drafted for war duty. Rumor is it'll be used as a replacement stand for Johnson sounds ridiculous, man. I really want to know if this dude actually has that. Like, if that's your actual neighbor. Like, you really have beef with your third grade teacher, and then you have a neighbor. I don't know. Hey, bro, Casey will be in the live chat tonight, but I don't know what you mean that the chat will fill up. I thought there was a cap. No. There's no cap for YouTube, but I've noticed. See, the last time they did the Twitter stream, if you were trying to get in on Twitter, once they hit like 10,000 people on the stream, dude, they were having nothing but problems on the Twitter space. Audio was glitching, people were dropping, like it was a mess if you were trying to get in on Twitter. If you want to watch it here, you're going to be fine, man. There's not going to be any problems unless it's problems directly related from like the Twitter. So, no worries here. You're going to be able to come in here. It was just the fact that Twitter was having problems last time. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, you're too old for the... Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness, man. At least there's something good about being old. You little fart and a bunch of bad joints and heartburn. Dang it, man. Whew. Oh, I can stop sweating. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. My palms are sweaty. I was worried you guys were going to tell me yes. Oh, man. I'm all good. But seriously, thank you. Thank you for everybody who has served. I truly thank you. Johnson, the correct term is little people. Sheesh, get it right, man. Justin, hey man, I mean, I guess this is his neighbor, right? Does his neighbor care? I don't know. Wellies, yes, Dark Souls. So actually, I believe Wellies is going to be speaking at the Ask Me Anything tonight, and I'm interested to see what they have to say. Okay, I really am interested to see what they have to say because I'm skeptical of the Wellies business model not getting scrutinized by the SEC if we start to bring, if we start to franchise Wellies here in the United States. If Wellies is raising money using NFTs, that is no different than selling securities. So it's going to be very interesting to see what takes place there. In small Kansas town, they got together once a month and washed and waxed vehicles and had a picnic, from what I could tell. Very nice, Cassie. Very nice. Shiba to Pluto. Shiba to Pluto. AMC to Pluto. Do your live reaction to AMC squeezing. Well, dude, I will. I will be live when AMC is squeezing. Do you know how exciting it's going to be in here when AMC is running up? If you guys weren't here back in the May and June days, oh, man, it's going to be so nice when AMC catches some life again. We've been getting hit so hard lately, man, and it's just been, it's been different. So it's going to be nice when it does run up. Never financial advice. Got a clip? Misunderstood? Ryan, it's all good, man. All good. Because I don't want anybody to go to Twitter and then think they can't hang out. Plus, it's more fun here anyway, man. If you just listen to a Twitter space, I guess it's cool if you're strictly audio. But if you kind of want to be actively listening and watching the chat, and I will say this, guys, okay? If you want to rip on Queenie, rip on Queenie, but remember, okay? She doesn't do live streams every day. She doesn't do these Ask Me Anythings every day. And I'm sure that if she knows that she's got 12,000 people in the Twitter space, that she's probably got 500,000 people watching on YouTube and restreaming all of these different locations, I'm sure she's going to be slightly nervous. So if she's giggling again, just, I don't know, be nice to her, man. If she's giggling and having fun, it's all good. Clay, what's one question you'd ask tonight if you could? Kalani, that's oh man, that's a good question because I don't know if I could narrow it down to a single question. I want a little bit of I guess, clarity on what's going on. And if I'm going to be asking questions, they have their topics out there. Shibarium, I do want to know if there's going to be taxes. Like they say there's going to be burns implemented in Shibarium. Is it going to be taxes? Like they know this stuff. They know what they're working on. They know what they're working on out there. Is it going to be a 1% tax that 1% gets burned? Is it going to be, are developers going to get any part of that tax? Or what do these new contracts look like when you move over to Shibarium? Are these people going to be earning now that they're developing Shiba Inu coin? And if that's the case, how much? How do they decide how much to get? There's a path that you could go down that way that I'm interested in understanding more about. Also, I want to know more about Playside Studios as well. So, Playside Studios is who's developing this AAA graphics game for Shiba Inu coin. Is Playside Studios simply developing this Shiba Inu game and they're the ones that are going to benefit off the Shiba Inu coin game? Or what does that look like? What does that compensation package look like? We don't need to know how much. I mean, I understand that stuff is confidential, but they have to be getting paid to develop Shiba Inu coin. And with no developer's bag or marketing bag or anything like that, the Shiba Inu coin in any way, I guess, gain other than the fact that it's going to be available. You know what I mean? And Playside Studios is wholly gaining off everybody using that game out there. So I'd like to know a little bit more about that game and how those deals take place. Wellies, because it's weird to me to think that such a decentralized coin, if I wanted to, I could switch over Claybro.com to Claybro.com where I only sell Shiba Inu shirts. And I'm allowed to do that because the Shiba Inu logo is not owned by anybody. It's completely decentralized. I can take it in any direction that I want to take it. But how do they find these businesses that they're the ones willing to integrate with when everybody else is kind of just like out stranded, stuck trying to do their own thing to build up Shiba Inu coin? So like, what gives Satoshi the advantage or the difference to determine who, like Wellies? You know what I mean? Like, okay, Wellies, I got it. They moved their logo to a dog. I don't know how well they were doing before they rebranded. They might have been failing and said, let's try this. So there would be some questions. I have no idea what the number one question would be. I have no idea. Maybe just to get to know these kids a little bit better, because I swear they are kids, man. I swear all these like 23-year-old kids that are just trying to run $1 billion coin right now, and it's got to be tough. Question: if AMC didn't dilute the share on the run up to 72, wouldn't this have squeezed properly in June? Spider Claude. That is a definite possibility, man. It's a definite possibility. So there was a lot of dilution in the $35 range. There was a lot of dilution, I believe, in the 40s, maybe 50s, as the price continued to run up with Mudrick and I forget who was buying on the second round. I know Mudrick got a ton of shares off of them. I don't know. I guess you would need a time machine to answer that definitely, but I can tell you that it would have had a much better chance. It would have had a much better chance of squeezing. And it's just, I don't feel like ripping too much on Adam Aaron right now, but, they could have diluted the stock. They could have, like, got everything ready, and they could have done that at $80, $90, $300, $500 a share, and so on. They did not have to dilute at $35. But these guys out there, they view AMC as a $5 stock, and it's trading at $50. Oh, we have to take advantage of that right now and sell as many stocks as we can to raise as much money as we can. It's completely unjustified price, and we need to get rid of our shares right now. So I do think that it had an impact, man. I just don't know how much of an impact that it did have. I don't think they would take me too old, but they used to try and tell me that I could ride horses in the desert for them. I don't even know what that means. Oh, it'd take you like you don't think they'd take you as a draft or something? First time I got it was like just 10 years old, and then some kitty next door. I have no idea what we're talking about. I miss so much. Will Leash and Bone drive the price of Shiba up or down? Real Metaverse, real what? Real Meta 5? I don't even know what that is. Look, I personally am not an advocate for Bone and Leash, okay? Personally, I believe Bone and Leash kind of dilute the interest in Shiba Inu coin a little bit and are a way for the developers to have gotten in extremely early on another coin. But I don't know. I don't know if they're going to raise or even lower the price, because if people sell some of their Shiba to buy some Bone so that they can vote on the direction of Shiba Inu coin, it's creating selling pressure. So I don't know, man. I don't know if the ecosystem is needed, but they're very strong advocates of it. So they got to be gaining something, being such strong advocates. Clear up. So what you're saying is set a sell limit order at 68 shares at 419. Yes, dude. If you sell 68 shares at 419, you're going to be much better off than waiting till 420, because these clowns out there are really going to be waiting to sell 69 shares at 420. Or if we pass 69 again, make sure you have a lookout for $420 a share, because, you know, not to say that Lou's going to be right, but there will be some clowns that try to sell at $420 a share. So you got to keep that in mind, man. People just love those numbers, Frank. No, we could send you cats in the first. No, man. Don't do that. I gotta go. Thanks to whoever asked the Shiba question, because you got the longest answer ever. My phone's dying. Gotta get back to Viking. Oh, Chris, man. Listen, have a good afternoon. Chris, I'm waiting for you to join the live stream tonight and have some fun with us, dude. Come on now. You know you will. 8 p.m. Eastern time. Come hang out with us at the live stream, man. Oh, gosh. Kalani nays. Yeah, that would be interesting. I don't know what it was said. I didn't see what Kalani said there. Darn it. Chris, follow me on Twitter so we can argue superheroes without bothering Clay. You can argue superheroes all day, man. You guys don't bother me. We had them shorts beat Adam Aaron, gave him a rope to get him out. Yeah, Melamamas. Yeah. Yep. And, you know, you don't know who we sold to either. And if you question who bought Adam Aaron shares, which institutions are buying up like crazy right now, you're just nothing but a fudder. You're a fudder out there. You're a bad guy if you question anything that the king does. All right, that's not cool. Take it back. I don't even know what Rhino was saying, man. He said, "Woo, yes." I don't even know. Army recruiter back in 2004, 2005 would always tell me I could ride horses in the desert. I was like, no thanks, but I'll stay here and ride horses. Cassie, yes, ride horses here where it's nice, not in the desert. Let's see. This is my first time investing. I only have 7 million Shiba. I am holding no matter what. It's not much, but like I said, first time investor, random AF. Very nice, dude. Look, I believe there's probably a lot of first time investors in here, and Shiba Inu coin and AMC are, you know, they're very hot topics. And if you are a first time investor right now, just know that you are getting in or have gotten in at one of the worst times, potentially the best, depending on when you actually got in. But if you got in like October, November, you know, you're looking at one of these corrections that's going to be talked about. It's a huge move to the downside. And will it go to 2008 levels? I don't know. Will it be as big as 2020? It's almost there now. So this is not a time to take lightly. Let's see. You mean 5 p.m. Your clock is wrong. You always quit early, my boy. Grandpa Barney. Yes, 5 p.m. for you, Grandpa Barney. If you want to hang out with us at 5 p.m. tonight, I don't know. I expect more people to be in here trying to listen to the AMA tonight and see what they got going on. So if you want to hang out, let's hang out, please. That was my first time I saw that. As a proud owner of 3 cats and a wiener dog, I disapprove. And I don't even know what was going on. Devil's Advocate, can you put Rhino? Maybe you already did. Sure can. Reality Rhino is the Rhino from Ace Ventura when nature calls. Chris is still here. I knew he would be. I'm still holding. I don't understand where all of these things come from. I don't know if Reality Rhino is necessarily a bad guy or what. I really don't see what he says. But just don't be a bully back. If he's being one, don't be a bully back. Let's see. I'm still holding, but I call it how it is. I learned my lesson. It made me a better, more conscious trader. Mellow Mamas, yeah, absolutely. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to call it like it is or whatever. You know, there's a lot of people out there who like to say mean things on the internet. And if you've got your investment plan, follow your investment plan, man. Don't let somebody like trick you into thinking that you're doing something that you shouldn't be doing. If it turns out your investment plan was wrong, you can adjust it in the future. But yeah, don't be like shamed into thinking you're wrong or anything like that. Let's see. Gotta jump off. Y'all have an awesome evening. See you tomorrow. John Maxwell, thank you very much. And if you do want to hang out tonight, John, in about 3 hours, we're going to be starting another live stream to listen to the AMA. I'll host it up until they start talking, and then we'll just watch the chart and let them talk. But once that's over with, hopefully I can come back on and summarize, unless they're here for like 3 hours like they were last time. But if you guys do want to come out, just listen. I don't know, put it on in the background or something and see what Shiba Inu coins got going on. We will be live streaming that this evening. Tell me, is it yours now so I can work? Yeah, 9:50. Sarah Stick Roy, I don't know if you're gonna be able to make it. It's gonna be 1 o'clock in the morning for you. It's not gonna come on until 1 o'clock in the morning. So, like, 12:45 a.m. is probably when I'll start the live. But it's gonna be probably too late for you to listen to that. Ask Me Anything. You might have to get a recap in the morning. Don't forget, it's Taco Tuesday. Never forget about Taco Tuesday, guys. Just hopped on. It's happening, Calabro. The invasion has been established. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, man, I don't know. And you see so much stuff going on, too, man. Some people say that it's already happened. Some people say that it's never happening. I don't know. I really don't know anything anymore. These are the positive thinking. Glass half full all the time. Rick, let's get it, man. Glass has to be half full if you're thirsty. The best Taco Tuesday ever. 2/22/22. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, what if the family invites me to Taco Tuesday tonight? I won't even be able to live stream. They're not gonna invite me to Taco Tuesday tonight. Not gonna happen, guys. I would go though. I would enter the space call and just let it live stream for you. Anything for you, my queen. Oh, yes. Thanks, Clay. Sarah Croy. Absolutely. And sorry that it's going to be so late for you. I guess you shouldn't live in the UK. So I invest in Shiba Inu. Very nice. Oh, Otto. Very nice. Oh, look at that eye. That's a beautiful eye. No way that's yours. Come on. My investment plan is to make lots of money, lose none, and watch Claybro on YouTube. Boom! Lewis. That actually sounds like a beautiful investment plan, man. If you can make lots of money and never lose any, dude, that sounds like something I'm interested in, and I want to get started. Invasion of Ukraine is happening right this minute. Right this minute, it started. Like, I don't. What do we got? Somebody give me an update. It's Taco Tuesday for every day that ends in a Y. Peak of power. I would literally eat tacos every day. I would eat tacos every day. Now that gives me a question. I made chicken pitas last night. Okay. Is that just a taco? Is that just a taco? I mean, think about it. Everybody's got like their own version of a tortilla. Pitas are just like fluffier tortillas. Did I eat a chicken taco last night? Or did I eat a chicken pita? I need to know your guys' thoughts. Because if you think about it, the only difference is that it's not really a tortilla. You're eating with a pita. But it's the exact same thing. JB. Yes, JB knows. Let's see. 223 is balance round. And just like eat taco. What? Just like Taco Cat. Taco Cat is not a thing. Pluto back to the same spot. It was 246 years ago. You guys first signed your Declaration of Independence. Did you know that, Darren? I did not know that, man. Well, if you're interested, let's get started. I am interested, man. It started this morning. Kalani. See, I don't even know what's going on anymore. Everyday Tacos, peaking for president. Let's get it. JB likes the dice. Oh, snap, another 100 yards. Deep in another 1 billion. Shiba, Mr. Putin. Let's get. Yeah, Putin would become a hero if that was the case. He'd be burned like a If he burned 500 trillion, and he probably could, right? If he burned 500 trillion Shiba Inu coin, what's AMC doing after hours? All right, keep that on the screen there. Isn't all Mexican food just a taco but bigger? Yeah, guess name. I mean, basically, but I'm taking it over, you know, to a pita now. Does a pita count as a taco? Update, Clay, bro. Blinken states that the United States has established the first round of sanctions. I did see that. I did see that on Twitter today. My bad. I'm sorry I didn't know. Took it a little too far. Oh, look at look at Rhino, man. I like it. I like it. Rhino, you're a good dude, man. You're a good dude. You dude comes in there, says started now. I don't even know what he did, but I like it. Heck yeah, man. Rhino, you're good with me. What's the best platform for trading options, or I guess easiest for someone just starting? Mike, honestly, man, I like Webull, okay? I like Webull. If you don't like Webull for some reason, okay, I get it. But it is very easy. If you want to buy and sell options, they make it very easy to buy and sell options. And you have a lot of analytics that you can do on Webull as well. Now, clearly, you can get into a ton of different option strategies, but if you're just looking to buy and sell calls and puts, you know, Webull does make it very simple, man. So, if you don't have a Webull account, you can use the link in the description below. But I don't have any problem. But yeah, I don't have any problem at all doing options on Webull. Horses on ice, Clay, bro. Oh my gosh. Ladies prefer. I don't know what's going on here. Fun facts. Speaking of the Declaration of Independence, I have ancestors sign them over. No way. Devil's advocate. That is sick. Is his name John Hancock? Because that'll be awesome. That's why they picked today after the AMA. Darren, let's get it. Because of the palindrome, or what are we talking about? I didn't see Darren's previous chat. I might have missed it. More likely having a retest AMC 15 or hit 20, asking for a friend. JJ, at this point, I would say more likely to go back up and hit 20. Why? We're right there at this level of support. Last time when we were testing this level of support, AMC was lower, okay? And I'm talking about the NASDAQ, this level of support on the NASDAQ. AMC was lower at this point. So we're hitting, it's almost like a bullish divergence. The NASDAQ continuing to hit lower lows, AMC hitting higher lows at this point, okay? If the NASDAQ bounces off the 13.3 that it's sitting at, we're going to be in a much better position for AMC to retest and hopefully break through that $20 level. If the NASDAQ doesn't hold up tomorrow, and the NASDAQ, you know, something happens and we continue to sell off, then it could be bad news for AMC, and we might look at that 1450 level. But I would say, because it's hitting a higher low and the NASDAQ's hitting a potentially lower low here, I would say we're in a better spot than we were before. He's still, yeah, man, he might still be on a turd list or something. But look, I mean, a dude comes in here and I don't even know what he said, but dude apologizes or something. I mean, he might start trolling again, but dude, it takes a lot, especially if you didn't think you did anything wrong. It takes a lot to apologize. So, good with me as of right now. I'm not going to hold any grudges. No idea what that even means, Cassie, but noise. School Devil's Advocate, I have an ancestor that was a farrier for a president. No idea, but it does sound nice, man. It does sound cool. Webull is really good with a ready-made option spreads, too. Frank, very nice, man. And, yeah, Frank knows a ton about options. I mean, we could talk about options on here, too, but we typically don't. So, dude, I have no problem promoting Frank's channel as well. If you guys want to watch Frank live stream, ask him some serious options questions, go out there, check it out, see what he's got to say. Remember, nobody's ever getting any financial advice on the internet. It's illegal to give any financial advice. But also, remember, nobody's actually holding themselves out as a financial advisor. So if you take anything that anybody on the internet says is financial advice, who's actually to blame in that situation? Grandpa Barney! Thank you very much for the super chat. Grandpa Bunny says, I have public and they use Apex and I can't get a straight answer out of them about daily limits for transfers to a bank. They walked around the email. I worry about getting paid. Thoughts? Grandpa Barney. Yes. My thoughts on that, I don't know why they would walk around your answer. I can't stand it when people don't give a direct answer to anything. But even if there are daily limits or weekly limits to your withdrawals, I would not be concerned that you're not going to have access to your total portfolio amount. I wouldn't be concerned about that in the slightest. Now, I do understand if they're doing bank transfers or if they're, cutting checks or if they're doing anything like that, there may be withdrawal limits on a daily or weekly basis. And whether or not you agree with that, okay, I get it. But I don't think that you should have to worry about having access to your total amount. Even if you walk away with $10 million and it's going to take you a year to withdraw $10 million because you can only withdraw $100,000. What would that be? Would that be $200,000 a week that you could withdraw? I don't think so. I still think that that's going to be okay. Let's see. Pika Power, can I be your king? Oh, nah. Nope, you don't have a green and blue name. Oh, Pika Power, I like it. Reality Rhino, Pika says get a green name. May I be your king? Pika, oh my gosh. Until the next time. What? Is it 5 o'clock already? Oh my gosh. Come on. Cassie, thank you for letting me know what time it was. Beat around the bush. I like to beat around the bush, if you must ask. Well, whoa, Prog is up and back down. Shredder was up and it's back down. In that case, follow me on Twitter, like, subscribe my IG, and help me more than social validation. Please do it. Grandpa Barney, I think Apex has liquidity they need. Yeah, Grandpa Barney, I do. I truly do think that they have the liquidity that they need. And I think that it's not just going to be on Apex to clear those transactions. I think that they're going to be taking out of the accounts that sold those shares too. So I don't think it's going to fully rely on them. I think that if somebody shorted AMC and they owe you for that stock and they have to get it, they will get what's theirs before they just crumble up and collapse. So I do think that if they don't, by some reason they will get it. But it is 5 o'clock, guys. So we're going to have potentially, I'm not exactly sure how we're going to structure this tonight, but live stream, if it doesn't come on right before 8 o'clock, look for it to come on right at 8 o'clock. I don't know if I'll do a video at 7, live stream at 7:45, and then a video at 8, or if I'll just do a video at 7 and then the live stream starting at 8. So watch out for that. We're going to be live streaming the Ask Me Anything for Shiba Inu coin tonight. So come back, hang out with us for a while, watch the videos, all that good stuff. Get your names in the chat right now. Let's get these shout-outs going on, and then enjoy your evening, guys. AMC Trapper says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Grandpa Barney, thanks for being in here. Dunnell, enjoy your evening. Shih Tzu Inu, Nufo, guest name Shredder. Pika Power, Shih Tzu Inu, Frank, Reality Rhino, Grandpa Barney. Nufo, JB, Frodo, Devil's Advocate, Isa Wu, guest name. Thank you, man. Absolutely. Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you as well. And hopefully you guys come back for the live stream tonight. But if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, SD, have a great day as well. Shih Tzu Inu, Mellow Mamas, Darren, all of you guys. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.